I'm Jocelyn. I'm doing my vlog today. I'm really excited because today's vlog is about Olaplex. What? Ola what? Okay, so Olaplex, number 4 and number 5. Shampoo, bond maintenance, and number 5, bond maintenance conditioner. So what is this that I'm going to be talking about? Okay. So, I have a lot of, as you can see, I'm chemically dependent. Color dependent, chemically dependent, and I love coloring my hair. I can't go back to black, sorry. I think when I have just plain black hair, to me, I look boring. People say otherwise, but, you know, they say, keep it natural, but it's like, no, I don't want to keep it natural. If I can have, like, other colors, which, like, my red, as you can see, then, I'm gonna go for it. Anyways, what I'm gonna try and just share with you today is I bought this Olaplex, or actually I experienced this from my stylist Amber. Okay, so I'm gonna show you my hair. And so Olaplex, from what I understand, it's supposed to, and there's other, I guess other number 3, I don't know what number 3 is, I think it's for maintenance or to restore the split ends. Essentially it's supposed to correct my hair and my split ends, like damaged hair. And I'm going to show you, this, you can see it, nappy, right? It's nappy. And if I showed you, look at how dry it is. I probably can show you my split ends and stuff. And then brush it, and like I said, it's nappy. So I'm going to brush it right now just to show you what it looks like. Hopefully you can all see it. And I can just feel my hair. I can just feel it like right here. How it just feels really dry and coarse. I did get a Brazilian blowout. And I think because my hair is so damaged, I'm not able to really feel the benefits, because what I used to do when I got my first Brazilian blowout, my hair, after I would shampoo and condition it, it wouldn't take long and my hair would be silky soft. I mean, it's awesome, you know? So I've been doing that, which I like, because if you can also see the texture of my hair, believe it or not, I have natural curls. I mean, like really natural curls. Yeah, no gray. Thank you, Lord. Yeah. So yeah. Anyways, I have actually naturally curly hair. I'll have to put a picture to show you what my hair used to look like before marriage, before kids. Total curls, like Julia Roberts curls in Pretty Woman. Do you remember that? Do you remember that? But yeah, all natural. I never had a perm. So anyway, then I got into straightening my hair, which I prefer. Different look. And so here we are. Okay, so what I'm going to do today is I'm going to shampoo and condition my hair. First time I'm going to try it. Now, I've done it. My stylist has used it on me once. And I really like the feeling, because afterwards my hair felt really soft. It was so manageable. So I'm excited to try it. And I'm like thinking, I'm going to inquire what is number 3. So number 3 is also to repair my split ends. And apparently from the other videos that I watched, it will also, I guess over time, just as you continue to use it, it will strengthen my hair, which is good. And so now see, I'm looking at my split ends. I'm going to show you a picture of what I'm aiming for, as far as like my hair. I want it to grow, so it's in between. So anyways, as you can see, so I'm going to get to work. I'm going to go wash my hair, and I will show you my process. It's going to be kind of like fast forward in a sense, and then I'm going to blow dry my hair, and we're going to see how it feels. Alright, we're going to test this out. Okay, here we go. So I like how it feels already. Just the shampoo itself, it feels suds in my hair. I mean, look at the suds already. That's pretty cool. I really like it. I didn't put that much. So maybe I did. But I like how it feels already. I like the suds of it. Repairs, strengthens, and hydrates all hair types. I'm putting this much. I may have to add more. But I'm going for the ends first. I'm going to work my way. And hey, it feels good. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit. I'm gonna let my hair have this for, I don't know, maybe 3 minutes or so. And then we'll rinse. Kind of intimate, isn't it? I think I left it on for about 5 minutes. So that's good. It's nice and warm. And towel dry it, and then I'm gonna blow dry it. So, all right, that's good. Thank you. Okay, everyone, time to dry it and see what happens. Okay, using the towel. So I blow dry my hair every morning, and I don't use a hot iron unless I really need it. Sometimes I do if I wanted, that smoother effect, but all that heat. Okay. So use a white comb. You can hear the gardener outside. He's mowing the lawn across the street. By the way, this is a Saturday that I'm doing this. It's not during the work week. I wouldn't have time. I wouldn't have time to do this. Okay, so just see it. It's soft. It is. It's soft. It's light. I like how it feels. And it smells nice. It does. It does smell nice. Okay. Anyways, I typically just comb my hair. Okay, now I'm going to blow dry it. So right now where we are, I could tell just from blow drying you're like, hey, it still looks the same. However, for me, as the person with the hair, I can say it feels really soft. It feels really light. It feels actually really good, you know. So I'm not done with my hair. Just so you know, I use another product just to like really get all the frizz out. And what I use is Brazilian Blowout. So if you can see it, this is my product, and it's a smoothing serum. So I use this. So I'm going to put it towards the end, and when you use this, I use it 2 ways, but they say, you know, you should use it after your hair is already dry, and then continue to just blow dry it. So I'm going to do that. I've also done it where my hair is still wet, but I just want to use it. I'm going to put it towards the ends, more in this area here. This one's not bad, as you could see, but still, I just want that whole overall effect. So we're almost there. Almost there. Okay. All right, so I'm using this much. do we have here? Stick the comb. See my natural waves. Okay, so here's the final thing. I'm just gonna comb it out. I can actually say yes, I do like Olaplex. I think what I want to try is the number 3, you know, because if I can like repair my split ends, that would be awesome. But as you can tell, what I'm liking about this is the thickness. It's the thickness, how it's making my hair feel nice and thick and full. I like how my hair looks full. Yeah, it feels great. And it's not as frizzy as I thought it would be. I mean, I used a Brazilian, like I had said, but I mean, with the 2 products that I use, Olaplex and Brazilian Blowout, I'm satisfied. So, I know it's a very girly video, but I love my hair, you know? The one thing I'm going to invest in is my hair. Okay, so again, Olaplex number 4, the shampoo, as you can see, and Olaplex number 5. Now, from what I heard, it's like $28. Could be like around there. You're probably like, what? For 1 bottle? I think so. So it is expensive. Luckily, with my stylist, she bought it with her own, because at her own store that she goes to. So I actually just paid $15 for each. So I spent $30 for 2. So if your friend, if you know a stylist who can go get this for you and give you a good hookup, then I say go do it, because it's I think it's definitely worth it. Would I buy it as of just $28 on its own? Probably. I've used Pureology in the past for my hair, the purple bottle. So that's pretty expensive. That's like for probably a 16 ounce. I've spent like $26 I think on Pureology. Again, I don't mind spending. Okay, everyone. Thanks for watching and for watching my vlog. You can follow me on my Instagram or Facebook channel, watch Jocelyn RP, and subscribe to my channel, Jocelyn RP. I'll see you later. Bye.